Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create Shopify store in Pakistan. So let's get started. First of all, you have to register a domain name for your website. So that's a necessary step to do. You can also go for .pk domain. And now it's time to get into the important part, that is setting up a Shopify store in Pakistan, which is as easy as setting up WooCommerce. So Shopify offers a 14-day trial so you can test the waters and get an overview of how it works. So first of all, you need to enter your email address and complete the sign up process. Enter all your details. For that to access your Shopify store, it should take 2 minutes. After the free trial is over, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. The basic plan starts at some amount. Don't choose other expensive plans. The basic plan is fine. So first you have to connect your domain name. For that, go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on the Add Domain button. Choose the Connect an existing domain option on the page and enter the domain name. So click the Follow Settings instructions. To read the instruction on how to connect your domain to Shopify. So after reading this, your domain will be connected. Now choose a theme. There are many beautiful free themes on Shopify. Go for them. And they are also responsive, fast, and elegant. So here I have my favorite, Dawn. So after that, you can also decide what type of product you want to promote before setting up a store. The reason why most e-commerce seller and dropshippers fail is because they don't have a product roadmap. Make sure that you know what you want to sell and try to create a niche store, as it converts better than a general store. So type the product name and title and enter description in the description text box. You need to highlight the benefits of your product if it's a clothing product. You can also add size chart, mention price. You can also change the product status from draft to active to make the listing public. And also there are Shopify apps. So you can get Shopify all-in-one apps that saves time and money and keeps your Shopify store cluster free. You can also get add to cart button. And then if you're running a Shopify e-commerce store in Pakistan, Reamaze is a help desk that unifies email, live chat, chatbot. And then MailerLite is for internet marketing. So these are just some apps that you can choose. Then after moving on, we go to the payment gateway thing. So in Pakistan, you can choose payment methods that are accepted in Pakistan and has a flexible payout structure. So the only downside is the processing fee, which can go up to 8% for new users. And then to checkout is one that is widely used in Pakistan. Also, there is Tracks that you can use for logistics. So that's all. That's how you can create a Shopify store in Pakistan. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.